Welcome to Home of Math. For International Math Olympiad, exponent is a very important topic. In this video, today we are going to discuss easy level 10 MCQs question. Let's start. First one. What is the value of 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4? The law of indices, we know a to the power n times a to the power m equals to a to the power n plus m. It means once base are same, that time in product power will be add. So in this case 2 and 2 base are same, so 3 plus 4, it means 2 to the power 7 is our answer. Number 2. What is the value of 5 to the power minus 3? In negative exponent, we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 divide a to the power n. Here n is 3, so our answer will be 1 divided 5 to the power 3. Number 3. What is the value of 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 to the power 3? We know a to the power n, then to the power m, it means a to the power n times m. So we can write 3 to the power 2 times 3, it means 3 to the power 6. What is the value of 8 to the power 0? We know a to the power 0 means 1. So a is a base, so any kinds of number, if power is 0, the answer will be 1. So number C is our answer. Number 5. What is the value of 16 to the power 1 by 2? This 16 we can write 4 square, and here to the power 1 by 2. We know a to the power n to the power m, it means a to the power n times m. So this one we can write 4 to the power 2 times 1 by 2. So these 2 and these 2 we can out. So our answer is 4 to the power 1, it means 4. So number B is our answer. Number 6. What is the value of 7 to the power 3 times 7 to the power 2? We already know a to the power m times a to the power n, it means base are same, so a to the power m plus n, it means 3 plus 2 means 5, so 7 to the power 5 is our answer. Number 7. Simplify 9 to the power 5 divide 9 to the power 3. We know a to the power m divide a to the power n, it means once base are same, in division power will be subtract, it means a to the power m minus n. So our answer will be 5 minus 3, it means 2, so 9 to the power 2 is our answer. Number 8. Simplify 2 divide 3 square, it means what? We know a to a divide b and power is 2, we can write a square divide b square. So 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So our answer will be 4 by 9. Number 9. What is the value of minus 5 whole square? Look, here 5 square means we know 25 and minus 1 square means plus. So answer will be only 25. Simplify 4 to the power 3 4 to the power 3 times 4 to the power minus 2. What will be the answer? Look, here base are same, so in product power will be add. So 3 plus here is minus 2. So look, 4, 3 plus minus a minus 2. So 4 to the power 1, it means number A. So by this video we are trying to solve 10 math based on exponent. Thanks for being with me. If you have any question or if you have any queries, please put on your comments in the comments box. Thank you.